Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I am actually just gonna be giving away all my warrants I have, like the diamond shopped ones. So, I don't know guys, I just feel like giving away these stuff, so, um, let's just see. I don't really buddy people, sorry. I'm like really sorry if I don't buddy y'all because I actually just want to save my space and it's kind of hard to have buddies when I like kind of don't talk to them, but yeah. Hey guys, Squirm is actually live, so make sure y'all go to his live. Nothing on trade. Really? Oh. Oh my gosh, sorry guys. Let's just put some stuff on here. Worn, and then rare. You know, guys, I am one of those who just, I don't know. Okay, last shade of the day. Just accept this. This time anyone can trade, so. Okay. Subscriber counts. Oops, okay. I feel like they're all going fast. Hold on. Oof, okay. Oh, this is getting really, tiring. There we go. Oh well, okay. Gem 2007 rocks. Oh, that's a cool flower crown. I will be checking people's gifts later. Oh my god. There you go. Please trade me best cheats wins list. Yeah, I'm not falling for that. Okay, so I'm gonna just check my subscribers real quick. We have 76 subscribers, guys. Make sure y'all go subscribe, and I still have 2 more stuff on trade. Hold on, let's just go back here. Someone trade me anything random on trade. I accept anything. Trade me. There's only 2. Okay, 2 more stuff left. Trade me anything. Okay. I don't know why this person would be giving that away. I mean, not that, but like. One more thing left. Trade me to win it. Wait, no, trade me necklace. Okay. TY. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. I just decided to make a video about me just giving away anything, so I will be doing another one because I have way too much stuff. I'll be giving away a wood floor since I have, no, wait, do I have two? Yeah, I have two wood floors. So I'll be giving that one of them away. But yeah. I will see y'all in the next video, so peace.